by recognizing the coordinator of Ajiry program, Mr. Ismail, representative from the Youth Fund, and I'm happy today to really had you well, and I want that money. But there is a statement from your M-Pesa which was saying, failed. I was interested more on the failed one. I want to know what is that. But you did allude to that you have received 150,000 join with you in this function where our youths have an important opportunity to be trained on financial management. This is beside the skills acquired in ICT training here at Kisii Ajiry Center. Allow me to convey the greetings from one gentleman called Brian. Brian is from Centum Center. He's the one who brought this program through MasterCard. Actually what he did is that when I spoke to him, he's a gentleman I know in Nairobi. He comes from the eastern part of the country, that is Ukambani. That young man, he had to sneak out this program from another place in the country for it to be in Kisii. I spoke to him here. This is the only Ajiry center now which has become a benchmarking in the entire country. The gentleman had not married, but he married again. He has a small boy. He has gotten a small boy. He has asked me to go and the boy is called Taifa. Kwa hivyo ni kijana mdogo, ameoa, amepata mtoto, na ako na furaha sana kuita kijana yake Taifa. I spoke to the young men here I wanted to introduce. There is a young man called the Ajiry Center. My vision was to open a digital avenue for employment of our youth through ICT training as an enabler. The youths constitute over 20% of the population, and this poses a challenge with regard to training and employment opportunities. We therefore need to think outside the box to enable the youth to access knowledge, skills, and the means to make a living through a venture like Ajiry. As you are aware, the digital technology advancement has literally turned the world into a global village. Therefore, it's important that we train our youths to embrace the uptake of new technology so as to acquire skills to enable them compete in the global job market. Ajiry is a progressive web application, BWA, designed to provide a platform for the youths to connect and network effortless, convenient, and free from control of third-party agents with employees or with employers. This program allows youths to cast a wider net in their search for jobs opportunities. This cuts across both the blue collar and the white collar sector. So far, over 3,000 youths have been trained here at Ajiry Center, and more are still enrolling in the free training in ICT and IC3. The only challenge now we are facing is that MasterCard, I think it is pulling out slowly. They expected us to have established ourselves, to have put in mechanisms on how we're going to sustain the whole program. I did ask, and that's why I called Mzee Dr. Kenani. We see how best we're going to fund this program, to see how best to fund this program. I'm going to plead with the learners that some measures, few measures, for purpose of making sure this program moves forward are going to be put in place. I'm grateful that experts from Youth Fund, Women Fund, ILO, and other partners like Shopco are here, and they will be involved in this program. In enterprise development have come in to help us equip our youth with the requisite knowledge for growth in self-employment through medium and small-scale businesses. To this end, the Ajiry Center is a step in the right direction by providing a platform for our youth and women and men to showcase their skills, talent, and expertise. On our part as a county, we are keen on making the Ajiry initiative sustainable after partnership with Centum and the MasterCard matures. Consequently, we seek to organize our youths into viable groups and open business venture for income generation to help run the ICT training program. For instance, we have approached a well-wisher who was today, and I'm happy that this gentleman, a young man again, donated a bakery equipment, which will be installed at appropriate premises so that a section of the youths can engage in bread and conventional business. The young man could not join us here, but he has sent bakery iko hapo. Tutaona nani tunapea kama you organize properly. Unajua kama ungekuwa tayari tungekuwa tumepewa wewe, ungetupea mkate tukule hapa. Kuna mtu wako tayari? Haya. Equally, we have a source for a number of computers to help expand our service at Ajiry Center. And two of our friends who spoke here, Mheshimiwa Sonko, my brother CPA Kifon, I know they are going to give us good money. And these two gentlemen, one has been there, is a veteran in politics, another one wants to venture into it. Imagine mzito. Lazima mtajikaza. Wanataka kusimama wote ubunge kule South Mugirango. I wish you guys well. Tukifika wakati wa nomination tutaona wale ambao mtakuwa kwa chama changu tukufu, chama cha baba. Tukipewe certificate tunasimama na wewe. Hata Osoro akiamua akiama pande ile nyingine akuje pande ile, mpingane, yule ambaye atashinda tutapea yeye, lakini najua kwamba Osoro atakaa pande ile. Lakini akiamua akije pande tutatembea na yeye pia. Kwa hivyo mko na kazi, mko na kibarua, lazima mta pull up your socks ndiposa tuhakikishe kwamba kazi mene. But I'm happy that you have indicated you are going to give money here for buying of computers. And our computers, nani kuja hapa, computer yetu sio ya shilingi 10,000, sio ishi. Going forward, we are operationalizing our radio studio where our artists will have their music and other works aired and promoted for financial gain. some may get employment opportunities at the radio studio. Sitaki kusema tuko karibu mwisho. Immediately tukipata hiyo, wale ambao mlikuwa mnaimba hapa, will, especially those one will be training, recording from here, will give you the first opportunity. Na wengine wetu, ndugu zetu ambao mko hapa wenye media, msijali, competition itakuwa mzuri tu. Kwa sababu nilipata imeanzishwa, ni vile haijakamilika, will make sure kwamba it's up and running. Finally, I'm optimistic that Ajiry Job Center is a game changer in the quest for youth and the women empowerment in digital skills and digital economy. Let us embrace the opportunity and work together to create a better future for all of us. And I want to say, our parents have done their work. It's our time to make sure we have secured the future for our children. The in charge of Youth Fund mentioned of Boca Eaters. Boca Eaters is a company which we gave land and a premise. When I came to the office, this gentleman was not completely moving. He's an old man. We had to force him to do the right thing. Today, as I'm talking, he has employed close to 50 people at ATC. Young people who are, some of them are peeling bananas, some of them they are processing. Actually, he has come up with a bakery from the banana flour. Today we can eat kangumu, we can have bread, mandazi. Ninyi tulisema function kama hizi watu wangekula hapa ndiposa, na I'm ready kupata pesa kidogo na watu wanakula hapa wanajua poka iko. Crisps ziko. Now that gentleman has moved away from that, is even producing now kerosene from these plastics. I saw it. Is actually, we may be having some either petrol, again production from his farm. Hap. Na ameenda mbali, again he has established a center for multiplication of black soldier fly ambayo inakula organic ya uchafu. He's an old man. You are here, you are seated, you are busy. The only business you have ni matusi tu kwa mtandao. The old man is happy. Now this week he's going to the US with the daughter. Wakirudi wanaenda kuchukua pesa. Young people, there is money out there. Let us see how best we can enhance and get it. I want to say, with those many remarks, I echo my appeal to the youths in Kisii to visit the Ajiry Job Center here at Kisii Stadium and enroll for training from expertise, free of charge. I thank you. Of our people here and the young people, you cannot afford a tissue paper. Things are not good. Things are bad. Ongona wa kamera tena nikubalie niulize hii kwa well-being. Nobody is going to come and help us. We must fix it. And I want to ask you, the young people from this region, from Kisii County, we have to sit down, agree, and we make a promise that we must have a solution for our problems. It's not about the national government, it's not about the county government. We must sit down, we reason together. And that's my humble request. With those many remarks, God bless you. Nyasabe na inwe let us check if life is difficult for you people at this time. What of your children? The future is bleak. It's not clear. But be assured you have an advocate who will stand with you, who is called Arati, to help the things. That one you can count on me. Hiyo lazima tuwakubaliane. Nitasimama na nyinyi. I'll do everything liwe liwalo. Yes, it may not be possible for today or tomorrow, but we will be there. We must be there. I've seen it. Mimi nimejaribu. Nimepitia hiyo, and I can tell you with finality that we can make it, all of us. But as young people, I want to plead with you, tutembee pamoja, tuone vile tutasaidiana. Ni sawa? Kwa hivyo mmefundishwa, tafadhali pesa ambayo kidogo, pesa tunayo, pesa iko. Youth Fund wamesema pesa iko. Wewe kuja hapa, zunguka hapa. Ulizana vile tutatengeneza. Dr. Kenani hapa na watu wengine tutajaribu tutafute pesa au wangwana mahali wanapita tuhakikishe kwamba tumetengeneza. Niko tayari. Now we'll be opening more of Ajiry's at our sub-counties. Siasa 2027 hiyo tutaiweka kando. Mwanaume anajisikia akuje tupambane. Now I want to promise them, I did not have this opportunity before. I have this opportunity of even making sure niko na watu 1,000 na advance. Kwa hivyo mtu yote ambaye anataka kuja, ujipange mzuri ndugu yangu. Kwa hivyo tuko pamoja, tuhakikishe kwamba tumesaidia jamii yetu. Na niko tayari kutembea pamoja na nyinyi nyote. Sasa makosa yawezekana ipo, makosa ni ya mwanadamu, tusameane, tuhakikishe kwamba kazi imeenda mbele. Ni sasa. Asanteni, Mungu awabariki. I want to flag off hii, lakini kabla hiyo bwana, ninyi leteni pesa. Najua nimeambiwa kwamba mko na pesa. Another point here, that today I've come to learn, M-Pesa inventor was a Kisii young man. Kwamba the M-Pesa ambao we are using all over the world, we want to be paid because of our brains in Kisii. We can have many of you who can invent many other things. M-Pesa, amkuwa mnajua kwamba the gentleman who did it was a Kisii. Was a Kisii. I'm wrong. Is a Kisii. Yeah. Hii M-Pesa kila mtu anaimba duniani. Na mnajua pia sisi ndio watu wa kwanza, kando na ndugu zetu hapa wakimbiaji, sisi ndio tuko na Mary Mora. Kiongozi katika mbio. Huyu mzee wa zamani alikuwa anaitwa mkimbiaji Nyantieka Majoro. Mchezaji wa Shabana wa zamani anaitwa nani? Henry Motego, nikiwa mtoto mdogo. Kwa hivyo hata nyinyi mko na uwezo bwana. Usikaya hapo tu, hakuna matunda itaanguka, there is no manna which will fall from heaven. You must work for it. And I'm happy somebody spoke about beekeeping. Tuko na miti ya kutosha, tuko na maua ya kutosha, tafadhali. As a county again, we had set us 40 million aside for credit. Na nasikia ya Youth Fund hakuna hata ndururu faida, hata yetu hakuna hata ndururu. It's only that you organize yourself, there is money, you do something. Hakuna kazi duniani lazima ukue kama Sonko. Sonko amesema vizuri, you must be an employer. Tengeneza kitu uanze. Hapo South Mugrango naona mnakuja mzuri. Actually, the person who gave us this machine for bakery is a young man from South Mugrango. Sijui ni kwa sababu the Ajiry Center manager ni South Mugrango, lakini I want to applaud the South Mugrango people. This is very good. I want to appeal also for other people from elsewhere, from other sub-counties. Tafadhali, behave like South Mugrango. Not the beating. You know, there is. Let us speak the best things from South Mugrango. But I'm happy. I'm happy that we have gotten support from our people of South Mugrango. Sikiza tune, wengi si mko nayo? Mwenyewe yuko hapa. Kwa hivyo amesema vizuri, wale ambao mnatengeneza muziki, mnadhania kama mambo, mwambie Simbaneta lazima ingie katika Sikiza tune. Simbaneta. Mama anasema ile somebody spoke of a grant, and I believe in ni huyo jamaa, the grant. A grant ni pesa ya bure. There are people here who can work on that. Msaidike. Ndugu ofisi yangu wewe, hawa ngwana lazima we must utilize them properly, especially in this year. Sasa na any assistance they need, wacha tuwape. Tuhakikishe kwamba wamesaidia vijana wetu in the 9 sub-counties. Unajua niliambiwa nikiwa mdogo with my economist mwalimu, aliniambia hata wakati unaenda kuuza, mama ametuma wewe na miwa uuze. Ukiuza shilingi 5, ambia mama mimi nilikaa pale, yes you are my mother, lakini lazima unilipe hata kama ni shilingi 1 kwa sababu ya mimi kuuza nini? Miwa. Hii mambo ya CPA lazima inaanzia huko chini, toka nyumbani, wakati mama ametuma wewe sokoni. Sio unaiba, mna account na yeye, unamwambia hii ni yangu. Wacha niulize tu swali, na ningeuliza hao watu wa kamera hii msisikize.